It finally came. We're about to unbox a PlayStation VR2 headset. The Horizon package. This is so cool. Look at this. And there's nothing at the bottom. There's something to the top. I cannot wait. Honestly, I've been waiting for so long for this. See what's inside? That's it. The seal has been opened. Open sesame. Okay, you ready? Let's open it. Actually, let's open this one. So, there's like a box inside. What to do? 1 second. There's a box inside. I don't get this out. They have made this packaging pretty weird. I'm gonna have to push for the bottom. There we go. That's it. It's like a hole at the back. You just push from there. I think. Hopefully. Maybe. Alright, we leave it in there. I'm just gonna open it like this. Yeah. Alright, let me show you. It's weird. Right. That's what I've done. That's the unboxing. So I can't get it out. I don't want to destroy the box. But yeah, I'll take it out piece by piece. What's this first? This looks like the wires. Yep. The Horizon game. I have to scratch that off. Star Redemption. Yep. This is, I have no idea, a USB-C, the earphones. Let's to the side. Let's pull the unit out. I'm gonna have to put this back on and then pull the unit out. I have messed this unboxing video up hard, but we'll try anyway. So I'll see. Let's get the controller out. Let's feel the controller for the first time. Oh my god. It's the first time ever I've actually like held this controller. Wow. It's a lot smaller than I thought actually. So it looks a lot bigger on the screen. I'm talking about this. How does it feel in the hand? Let me see this. Feels alright. It's got a good weight to it. I like it. Okay. It's weird. It's got a nice little weight to it. Alright, that's one. And then the second one. There's not much in the box to be honest. It's very, very simple. So, pretty much it's ready to go. The second one. That's your right trigger. And now the actual unit itself. That's it. This wire. That's a long wire, which is good. The unit is very light. How do I take this off? How have they put this on? That's so weird. Oh. Okay. Wow. Yo, guys. This is really lightweight. I can't tell you how light it is like by just saying it, but it's very, very lightweight. It's like there's hardly any weight to it at all. It's crazy. It's mad. I'm gonna try a PSVR headset on for the first time ever. Mind my bald head. Hold up. I'm excited. Also, how do you do this again? You pull here. You pull it back or something. There we go. Okay. No. What? But you pull. Alright. This one goes forward. Yeah. And you pull the button to push it back. Okay. How do I look? Putting this on first is kind of... Oh wow. Okay. Yo. I can't see you, but this is amazing. Like, you can't even feel it. It's on your head. I love it. Alright, I can't wait to use it. How do I take this off? Oh, you press the button. Alright. I'm excited to use this. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'm Sachthemotive, motivate you. Over and out.